Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you a top recommendation for your feline friend, the best Breakaway cat collar with bell you can buy right now. This is the 2-pack cotton Breakaway cat collar in pink strawberries and white heart-shaped pendant by FYEQYAOU. If you're looking for safety, comfort, and style in one tiny package, keep watching. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll notice about this collar set is the adorable design. These aren't your average basic collars. One comes in a soft pink cotton with little strawberries, and the other in white with heart-shaped accents and a pendant. It gives off a cute, stylish vibe that's perfect for cats who like a little flair. Whether it's a regular day at home or you're dressing them up for a special occasion like a birthday, holiday, or even a pet wedding, these collars make a statement. Next, let's talk about material and comfort. The collars are made of pure cotton. That means they're soft, breathable, and won't irritate your cat's skin, a big plus for kittens with sensitive fur. The fabric is also lightweight, just 0.2 ounces, so your cat might not even notice it's wearing anything. The cotton material is handcrafted, giving it that extra personal touch and attention to detail. Each collar is slightly unique because they're handmade. Now let's talk safety, which is where this collar really shines. It comes with a sturdy breakaway buckle, an essential feature in any modern cat collar. This breakaway mechanism is designed to release if it gets caught on something, allowing your cat to escape safely. That means no worrying about strangulation or getting stuck during their daily explorations. The collar also includes a small bell, which is great for keeping tabs on your cat, especially useful if your cat likes to sneak around the house or hide in unusual places. The bell is subtle, not too loud, but enough to alert you to their location. In terms of fit and adjustability, this collar is pretty flexible. It adjusts from 7 to 11.5 inches, with a width of 2/5 of an inch, making it suitable for both kittens and adult cats. Just make sure you measure your cat's neck beforehand to get the perfect fit. FYEQYAOU also provides a helpful size chart in the product description. One unique detail is the exclusive design. According to the brand, the floral and heart patterns aren't repeated anywhere else on the market. So if you want your pet to stand out, this set is one of a kind. As for dimensions, each collar measures 11.5 by 0.4 by 0.1 inches, compact and perfect for cats of any size. And because you're getting two in a single pack, you can swap them out depending on your mood or your cat's look for the day. While there are a lot of cute and affordable collars out there, very few combine aesthetic appeal, safety features, comfort, and handmade quality like this set. It's not just about looking cute, it's about keeping your furry companion safe, comfortable, and stylish. If you're in India or anywhere else internationally, make sure to check the delivery options on Amazon. Right now, it's listed as Amazon's choice, with thousands of happy cat owners backing up its quality. So, if you're looking to upgrade your cat's accessories with something truly special, the 2-pack cotton Breakaway cat collar with bell is a perfect blend of form and function. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to hit like if this helped you and subscribe for more pet gear reviews, home gadgets, and everything in between. Until next time, keep your pets stylish and safe.